So if we have to calculate velocity of first body, okay, after collision, velocity of first body is v1. To calculate this, we take the help of first equation as well as the equation number 3. Since we are calculating, we have to calculating velocity of first body, that is v1. So from this equation you calculate value of v2. Yes, so for this you bring this term left hand side. So u1 minus u2 and plus v1. This is the value of v2. After calculation of v2, you put this value in equation first. So in equation first, when we put, it is m1 u1 minus v1 equal m2 v2. In place of v2 we write this u1 minus u2 plus v1 minus u2. So this we put in place of v2. Clear? Now you open the bracket. So m1 u1. From here we get m2 u2. Bring this term this side. So when we bring this term, this, okay, first we have opened. So m1 u1. This is m1 v1. This is m2 u2. m2 u2 u2 minus u2 minus u2 minus 2u2 into m2. So this is minus 2m2 u2 plus m2 v1. So plus m2 v1. Now transpose this term, bring this term here. So u1 we take common, it will be m1 minus m2. Here you see that we bring transpose this term left hand side to right hand side, and we transpose this term left hand side. So this is plus 2m2 u2. When we bring this term this side, so this is minus m1 v1, it will become plus m1 v1. v1 we take common, so we get m1 plus m2 into v1. Okay, now by cross multiplication we will have the value of v1. Hence v1 equal m1 plus m2 upon m1 plus m2, m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2 plus 2m2 upon m1 plus m2 into u2. So this is the velocity of body A. v1 equal m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2 into u1 plus 2m2 upon m1 plus m2 into u2. Similarly, you can calculate the value of second body. You can calculate velocity of second body. So how you calculate velocity of second body? To calculate velocity of second body, once again you find the value of v1 from this equation. So from this equation, v1 is equal v2 minus u1 plus u2, and now we put this value in this equation. So m1 u1 minus, in place of v1 we put this, so minus v2 plus u1 minus u2. It is equal m2 bracket v2 minus u2. Okay, now next step, wait a little bit. So here open the bracket. When we open bracket, this m1 u1, so this one is 2m1 u1 and this one is v2 and u2. So minus m1 v2 minus m2 u2 equal m2 v2 minus m2 u2. Okay, we have to calculate v2. क्या calculate करना है हमको? v2 calculate करना है. So this is v2, this is v2. Okay, these two terms we keep one side. Here we have 2m1 u1. This one is minus m2 u2. From here we bring this term this side. Okay, this is m1, sorry, this is m1. So we bring this, transpose this term right hand side, we will get minus m1 minus m2 u2 we take common, and now we bring transpose this term this side. So m2 v2 plus m1 v1, it will be m1 plus m2 into v2. Clear? Therefore v2 is equal, cross multiply it. This is 2m1 upon m1 plus m2 into u1 minus m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2 into u2. So with the help of this formula we can calculate the velocity of second body after collision. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed it. Bye bye.